On this day every year, we celebrate a key milestone in our history,
achieved through our collective efforts as a country.
Proof of our ability to draw on the strengths of our many differences
and work together to overcome any challenges that may come our way.
Today,
I pledge to make an effort to understand
the rich and diverse cultures of my neighbors,
my colleagues, and my friends.
To strive to clear my own misconceptions about another's culture
through self-education.
To share the richness of my own culture with others.
To embrace wholeheartedly the part that I have to play
in creating a more united
and open-minded society and to help promote
diversity and inclusion within my workplace.
Now, more than ever, we call to be more united, open-minded, and aware of our
own judgment and of the things that we consume is utmost important.
It will not be easy, but together there is hope.
73 years of solidarity and unity
for Sri Lanka.